They told him it was impossible. They told him a rocket company would bankrupt him. They told him an electric car company would never survive Detroit. They told him twice, even 3 times, that he was done. In 2008, Elon Musk had 3 rocket launches, 3 failures. SpaceX had almost no money left. Tesla was weeks from bankruptcy. His marriage was falling apart. People close to him said he looked like a man who had lost everything. This is not a story about a man who never failed. This is a story about a man who failed in front of the entire world and built anyway. Before Tesla, before SpaceX, there was Zip2Soul, there was X.com, which became PayPal. He was pushed out of his own company by the board he built it with. He could have stopped there, rich, comfortable, safe. Instead, he took the money and lit it on fire. 2 companies that experts called insane. Rockets, in an era where only governments built rockets. Electric cars, in an era where electric cars were a joke. 2006, first Falcon 1 launch failure. 2007, second launch failure. 2008, third launch failure. Each explosion was filming. Each explosion was public. Each explosion was a chance to quit. He didn't take it. September, Judas ranked the 4th launch. The last attempt SpaceX could financially afford. If this rocket failed, there would be no 5th. Falcon 1 lifted off. It reached orbit. The first privately funded liquid fuel rocket in history to do so. Weeks later, NASA awarded SpaceX a contract worth over $1 billion. That same year, Tesla secured the funding that kept it alive by hours, not days. He didn't avoid the fall. He went through it. This is what almost nobody tells you about resilience. It is not the absence of failure. It is failure repeated in public without permission to stop. Musk has said the same thing in different ways for 20 years. Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough. Rockets that explode teach you more than rockets that don't fly at all. That is not motivational poster language. That is how Falcon 9 became the most reliable rocket in the world. That is how Tesla went from near bankruptcy to the most valuable car company on Earth. Today, Falcon 9 lands itself. Reusable routine, almost boring, because failure was no longer hidden. It was processed, studied, repeated, until it stopped happening. Starship explodes during tests. Some call it failure. He calls it data. The pattern never changed, only the size of what he was willing to break. So if you are watching this after your own collapse, after the launch that didn't reach orbit, after the year that almost ended you, remember this: the rocket that reaches orbit is built from the wreckage of the ones that didn't. Break it, study it, build it again. That is not failure. That is the process forged